Saving money has never been more important, especially as a young adult trying to get ahead financially. In this video, we'll share our top 10-minute money-saving tips that will help you take control of your finances in your 20s. From cutting back on daily expenses to making smart investment decisions, we've got you covered. Follow along as we show you how to transform your bank account with these simple tips. Saving money can be tough, especially when we're bombarded with advertisements and the pressure to keep up with the latest trends. But fear not, because this video is packed with money-saving hacks that are perfect for anyone in their 20s looking to master their finances. From cutting down your grocery bill to finding the best deals on entertainment, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to transform your bank account and set yourself up for financial success. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this money-saving journey together. Packing your lunch every day instead of dining out can seem like an insignificant step towards your financial goals. However, you will be amazed by how much you can save by making this small change in your routine. You no longer have to spend money on overpriced meals, and you can control the quality of food you consume. Apart from being a financially responsible choice, packing your lunch is also beneficial for your overall health. You can plan your meals ahead of time, ensuring that they are well balanced and contain all the necessary nutrients. Therefore, it's advisable to invest in a reusable lunch container and bring your favorite homemade meals from home. Another great way to save money is to buy in bulk. Purchasing items like rice, pasta, and other non-perishable goods can save you money in the long run. Look for deals and discounts at your local grocery store to get the most bang for your buck. Our third tip is to reduce your energy consumption. Unplugging electronics when not in use, turning off lights when you leave a room, and adjusting your thermostat can all help reduce your energy bill. Not only is this good for your wallet, it's also good for the planet. Another great way to master your finances is to make smart investment decisions. Look for low-cost index funds or mutual funds that offer diversification and long-term growth potential. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to help guide you in your investments. Our fifth tip is to prioritize your health. Regular exercise and healthy eating habits not only help you feel better, but can also help you save money in the long run. Skip expensive gym memberships and opt for at-home workouts or outdoor activities like walking or hiking. Our sixth tip is to make sure you're taking advantage of any student loan or credit card repayment programs available. Many banks and financial institutions offer programs that can help you pay off your debts faster and save you money on interest. Our seventh tip is to rent or purchase used items instead of buying new. Check out websites and apps like Craigslist, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace to find deals on furniture, electronics, and other household items. You can save hundreds of dollars by buying used instead of new. Our eighth tip is to take advantage of cashback rewards programs for online and in-store purchases. Many credit cards and retailers offer cashback rewards for purchases, which can add up to significant savings over time. And finally, our ninth tip is to create a budget and stick to it. Knowing how much money you have coming in and going out each month is essential to mastering your finances. Use budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget to help you create and stick to a budget that works for you. We understand that getting a handle on personal finances can be daunting, especially for those just starting out in their 20s. But by implementing these money-saving hacks that we covered in this video, you can start mastering your finances and set yourself up for a successful financial. Remember, small changes